All right. Hi, everybody. This is by far a professional video. Don't even have a tripod. But I'm doing some cleaning. And I'm thinking about having a sale on foot pedals. Because that's what I'm cleaning today. And I'm bagging them up like this. It's the best way to keep all the foot pedals from tangling into each other. Like I had just went through a big nest of them. But it goes into the next room. Some boxes are labeled, some are not. So I'm working on that. And then this is a big, giant pile of sewing machine parts that I haven't seen since I bought Arbuckles out. What is that, about 4 years ago? And I got 100 boxes of parts with it. And I don't know, maybe 40 boxes are left. I was doing a video on each box. And I came to this here. So I figured I'd do a video on this real quick. It looks like a lid, a single lid to something. No clue. We have these Elna foot pedals if anybody needs parts. Because this one sounds like a parts one. There's stuff rattling inside. Some of these might work. Oh, it's nice. There's a tag on it explaining. Oh, I have an extension. Wow, full of treasures. Anybody recognize that extension? We have a pretty fancy rubber cover. Little blue hand wheel. Look like nutcrackers. Here's another Elna. Here's a Rocketeer. Just a cord. A handle that's labeled. Holy cow, that's a lot to write about a handle. Hey, a knee bar for an Elna. Knee bar. Anybody needs a knee bar? Oh, a pink top. Nice to know what that went to. How do you even organize some of this stuff, you know? No clue. Hey, a manual for a white book, $2.99. I apologize if it's being shaky. Here, let me see if I can. Farther down. So like this foot pedal, it tangles into everything. This I would label it under electronics. I bought these bags with holes in them by mistake, but they end up working good. It's supposed to be for fruit and stuff, and I use it too to put my fruit on when I go on the boat. So what makes it nice for the foot pedals about the holes is I don't have to worry about getting the air out. And that gets put under electronics. Hey, I'm so lucky. Unusual Kenmore. Oh wow, look at the old bobbin. People want these bobbin winder tires if this is good. This is all in parts. That's for a singer. Oh yes, like gold. Like gold. People request these all the time. I can't read it. Maybe you can read it. Members request these all the time. Swiss made. Ask about Swiss made parts. Oh yes. I made a mistake and sold, well, it wasn't a mistake, but I sold all my Elma cams to one member years ago for a good price. And it's hard to get them back. It was years of accumulations of Elma cams. Here's another one. Miscellaneous stuff. We'll put in this bucket up here. A foot. Hey, I wonder if that's for cleaning glasses with. I'll hang on to that. My hands are getting filthy. I'm going to have to start listing things because making money just by trying to look for requests all day takes so much time. It's not paying the bills, you know. I'm helping. You know, sometimes trying to find a $2 part takes a while, but so here we go. A 4-hole single foot pedal. And I'm getting low on funds again, so 2023 sales have been extremely slow this year. Members, people are holding on to their money. Stuff rattling up in here. Money came out, a foot came out. So we get that out of the way. Yay, we just keep going. I'll organize it later, camera. We just keep going. Let's see what else we have here. Vikings Owner's Handbook for a 6000 series. Alright. I wonder if this is a 6000 series extension. I wonder. Anybody needs that? What else is in here? A Classica 100. Maybe that's what it's for. Hey, a memory craft foot pedal with one of those ends. That's pretty nice. Alright. I'm going to put it in this bucket since we showed a video on it. I'll keep the box for the manuals. Let's see what kind of foot pedals we have here. Let's see what kind of foot pedals we have. Electronic one. Eight minutes. 8 minutes into the video. Yay! I haven't done a video in a long time, so it's nice to do one. Hey, Supernova, I'm thinking. Someone buy this from me. I think I have a machine I can test it on. Okay, let's put it in a foot pedal. And that goes either under special end or the very end one is for Elna. We'll go at the end one. Nietzsche and Elna on the end box. And Pfaff. And Viking. Let's have another. Plenty of these. Anybody needs one? Plenty of those foot pedals for Viking. Cool. Don't actually know if it's a old extension cord. Oh, I think I'm going to have a sale on what I call these universal foot pedals. One's for the motor, which is direct, and one's for the light, which is direct, and one's for the motor, which is indirect, where you have to push on the pedal for it to work. So that's the universal foot pedal. As I was cleaning, I found a bunch of them. Now I got to go through them. You got to inspect all the wiring first. Make sure there's no nicks in them. They don't sell that with nicks unless specified. It has to be professionally taped up. And sometimes I do, but many times I just eliminate that cord and put a different cord on it and salvage the foot pedal. I have inline 3 holes, often found on Singers and others. It looks like I said Singer, I meant Kenmore's, often found on Kenmore. And this is a Kenmore one because it says Kenmore right on the foot pedal. So we call this one a inline Kenmore 3 hole. We have a box over here for 3 holes, so I can get it in different colors, electronics, that particular one. We'll put this Viking one in a Viking box, and we just eliminated another box. Another box. Because this place needs a very good organizing. And what better time to do it than a nice, beautiful. I could sit here and not freeze my butt off in shorts, cut off shirt, perfect temperature, like mid-70s. Wow! What a bunch of I don't know what. Is this sewing stuff? Wait, someone was asking about drawing paper. Chinese. Okay. Animal Sports Series. It must go to... Wait a minute. There's a whole box of these things. Is this an Elma thing? Let's take a look here. No, it's not a touch and sew thing. A 626 touch and sew. Oh, Last of the Mohicans of the Steel Gears. I believe 626. Yeah. I believe halfway through the year they switched from steel to plastic on that particular model. And people like that one because of the pink front. Oh, the memory card for... Hold on, get the old man glasses on. Scan and sew. Memory card for... I don't know. Some of these things. A tool. Oh, chalk. I don't know. I don't know what to do with it. Okay. That's empty. Just make sure there's anything in here. Do these go to sewing machines? Must be. Must be. Maybe it has something to do with the New Home Memory Craft 8000. Maybe. Here's an 8000. I think I'm going to keep all this 8,000. It might be 8,000. So we'll put that in the box. A couple of papers. Boom. Another box empty. Goodbye. We're on fire today. Oh. We got here. These could eliminate a whole box right here. What do we got here? Wow. Ginormous manual. Wow, service of 1591 manual. Holy details. Someone took some time to put this together. The early development of the Singer Model 12 new family machine. Singer 15 comparisons. puzzle boxes. Someone just made these up. They did a really good job. These are good reference books. Let's see what else. Model 5800 zigzag sewing machine, buttonhole, blind stitch. Model 5800, a whole, this is a whole 4 or 5 copies of this Model 5800 zigzag machine someone made. I have no clue why. Wow. Okay. Wow. That's just fun stuff. Just fun stuff to look at. Should be in a library or something. I don't know how useful it'll be, but alright. Just around the corner here, I got a whole section for these kind of manuals. We'll just get that out of the way. 14 minutes? We'll go about 30 minutes, I guess. It's a sewing machine box. And it actually probably has a sewing machine in it. It has a instruction manual for a sewing machine. It is. It's a sewing machine. Multi-function domestic sewing machine. I guess the value is very low. This is a complete Arbuckle sewing machine. It is a unlabeled. It has a broken die-cast housing, broken in shipment. It is a complete machine for parts. Great. I've never heard anybody ever ask. I got the manual. It's a parts machine. Still in the box. It's nice that they put notes on everything. Wow. Too bad it broke. I hate the noise. Oh, I hate that noise of styrofoam. Well, I know it's a parts machine. I'm throwing this styrofoam away before it drives me nuts. It's a parts machine. Where's that note? Right here. We'll put this, we'll attach it. There we go. It's really dusty. I'll eliminate another box. Eliminate that squeaky scarboard. Oh, wow. I love my singers. Never thought about getting some of these made. Someone must have had that made. Now how cool is that? Dear Dave. Dave? I think it does say Dear Dave. From someone from Western Australia. I don't know if this is to me or not. Interesting. Extension bed of some sort. Viking. Unfortunately, no part number, but it does say Viking on the back. Anybody know what it goes to? I have another extension bed. Ooh. Took a 2-piece system. Oh, cool little screwdriver. Alright, there you have it. Garbage. What is this for? A cloth setter. Hello. Hello. Ooh. Whatever it is. Someone spent money on it. Empty box. What's this tool? A Stanley. Stanley tool. What's this tool? It's for measuring something. Just a power cord. How did that survive? That looks so fragile. Someone's decoration. Another tool. Another tool. Some feet. And just some miscellaneous toys or something. Fuses. Some miscellaneous stuff down there. And the rest is trash. Wow, cool. What's this? Singer 185 combo. Missing the glass. But the motor's there. Foot pedals there. Looks all in pretty good shape. We'll bag that up in a little bit. We'll just set that right there for a second. Missing the glass. What else do we have here? We have a foot pedal. Universal. We'll set that down right there. We'll bag it up in a minute. We have another combo. Well, this one's OEV motor and foot pedal for a 185. Stop motion screw. Empty box. Goodbye. A base. Some golf art. No clue. The letter L. Where did I put this? Or a hockey stick. Hey, somebody wants this. Ken? Somebody wants this. Just got to figure out which it go to. See, they got the two little short stubbies. That does not ring a bell. Usually one's long, one's short. This is some kind of Kenmore 1900 series, I'm guessing. It has to be just something I have down there. Maybe not. Maybe not. A very rare troll. Very rare troll with the green hair. Oh yeah. That got to be worth what? Thus, no extra charge. Alright. Cord. Crazy looking cord. This all started because I came over here to look for a foot pedal. Alright, this box here in front of me, that's about an hour. That box is about an hour. That box is about an hour. Their box is full of tons of tiny parts. Oh! Ooh! Ooh! Scram! scram. This one's still in shrink wrap. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go with this one for the manuals, and I got almost all my manuals. For those that do not know, on Facebook, go under Fred Sanford's manuals, children's books and manuals. You'll find most of my manuals have been posted. But this is a jackpot, if you ask me. Directions for using this set of attachments. Nice. We'll just go through these manuals, or maybe I'll end the video and start another video and call it Box of Manuals Found, because, let me see. Oh my goodness. Alright, we'll do another video on this. For 2 more minutes, let's go with, we got 2 more minutes. I said I stopped at 30. These are manuals. We'll put that with the manuals. What do we got up here? Alright, let's go with this box. Attachments for a white rotary. Anybody want attachments for a white rotary? Nice steel box. We have, oh, a looper and a cassette to a brother's instruction CD, 885 V31-V32, I think. And you got some other stuff. That crazy thing. Partial manuals. We'll put that with the manual. Looks really, really old. Some miscellaneous parts. Doesn't appear labeled. We have some screwdrivers. I welcome all tools. Screwdrivers. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh, wasn't out of here. A couple cool looking handles. Look at how ornate that one is. White rotary bobbins. Nice. Nice. Make room in that bucket for more incoming. A miscellaneous part off a machine. Someone's checkbook. That's what it looks like. It's obviously for something to do with sewing. Not sure what that goes to. Maybe that brother. Maybe this machine here. Yep. 885 V31. Anybody own one of these? It appears that I have a bunch of stuff for it. Got a bunch of bags with little parts in here. Alright. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to put all this back in here because I think it all goes together. I'm going to do another one right now on manual, so be sure to check it out. Enjoy your day.